seed to plant. By Kristin, Baird, Rattini. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers and others also grow fruit. Trees are plants too. So you have a tangerine tree, an orchid, whitewater lily, and a fern. Plants are a big part of our world. The farmers grow fruits and vegetables, and these plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. What? Other plants are cozy homes for animals. Look, here's a bear in a tree, and here's the farmer in his cotton field. The parts of a plant. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. Your arms are like leaves. Your body is the stem, and your feet are like roots. The roots hold the plant in the ground. The stem helps the plant stand up tall, and the leaves soak up the sunlight. How does a plant begin? Number 1, let's dig in. Most plants start as a seed. The seed splits open, a shoot pushes out, and this is called germination. Number 3, a new plant is beginning. It's your buzzword, germination, the sprouting of a new plant from a seed, and a seedling, a young plant. A seedling starts to grow. Roots reach down into the soil, and a stem pushes it up into the air. Leaves, stem, roots. A plant grows. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger, and more leaves and branches grow. Here's a buzzword, soil, the top layer of earth which plants grow in. And it says water in a garden will help it grow. What do plants need? Plants need these things in order to grow: soil, water, food, sunlight, air, and space. Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. The plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. Look, boys and girls, here's a picture of a tree, and there's the sun going to the leaves, the air. Look at all this soil and all of these roots. The water and food, that's how they're going to get it. 6 fun plant facts. Number 1, this palm tree seed can weigh as much as a 4th grader. It's the heaviest seed in the world. Number 2, scrub-a-dub in the tub. Plants are used in many soaps and shampoos. Number 3, this paper for this book was made from trees. Number 4, look at the seeds. One sunflower can make as many as 1,000 seeds. Number 5, bamboo grows the fastest of any plant. It can grow as tall as 3-year-old kid in one day. And number 6, the tallest living tree is taller than the Statue of Liberty. Wow. Flowers bloom. Many plants grow flowers. They start as a bump called a bud. The bud slowly opens and petals gently unfold. Surprise! It's a flower. Sticky pollen. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. The pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from flower to flower. Check out that picture. Then the pollen rubs off on other flowers. This is called pollination. It helps flowers make seeds. There's our buzzword, pollination. The moving of pollen from one flower to another. It makes seeds grow. Seeds. Plants keep seeds in different places. Many plants grow a case around the seeds. This case is called a pod. The peas and maple tree seeds grow in pods. Here's your maple seed tree pod. There's the seeds inside, just like in a pod of a peas. Orange seeds are different. Their seeds are on the inside, but a strawberry seeds are on the outside. And there's your label, seeds. Now the seeds can take a trip. Some float on the wind. Others are carried away by animals. The seeds fall to the ground and soon they sprout or germinate and a new plant begins. Look, here's a dandelion seed. They scatter in the wind. Here's your squirrel that's holding a large seed, and a bird carries a berry with the seed inside. Pass the plants, please. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? Look, here's a panda, and he is eating a bamboo plant. And here is a watermelon that is a fruit, and it comes from a plant. Make your garden grow. You can grow your own bean plant. Ask a grown-up for help. What you'll need: 1 lima bean seed, a cup of water, 4-inch flower pot, glass jar or paper cup, and soil. Number 1, soak your seed in a cup of water overnight. 2, fill the flower pot with soil and push your seed down into the soil about 1 inch. Number 3, add a little water to moisten the soil. 4, place the pot in a warm, sunny spot. Add a little water whenever the soil gets dry. Your seedling should sprout within a week. What in the world? These pictures show close-up views of things in this book. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. Number 1, hint. This opens into a flower. I wonder what that is. Number 2, hint. This part of the plant takes in sunlight and air. Do you know what it is? Number 3, this flower can make up to 1,000 seeds. Number 4, this falls and waters the plants. What is that? And number 5, hint. This buzzes as it flies from flower to flower. And 6, this has seeds on the outside. The end.